Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. So let's get started. To draw Patrick, let's start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here, we're going to draw a big oval. So it's about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a long oval for his eye. And I'm going to draw another one right next to it, but it's going to start about right here. And same thing. There. So then now let's come inside. We're going to draw a circle in about this area, closer to this edge, and we're going to draw a circle. And same thing on this side, but this one is going to be closer to this edge now. So then let's come in here, I'm going to give it a little highlight and then shade the rest in. Same thing on this side. Okay, so we have his eyes in. Now let's come right underneath his eye and I'm going to draw his mouth. So I'm going to start pretty wide. So kind of where his eye ends right here. I'm going to start right underneath his eye and I'm going to bring a curve all the way over to about right here to where his eye ends. Go out about right there. And then let's come to the end right here before I forget and let's cap it off. So I'm going to bring a little bit more and bring in a curve right here. So from this edge right here, we're just going to bring in a curve that comes down. So then now we have this area to work with. Let's add a little curve right here. So this is going to be the beginning of the top of his head. So just imagine this curve going through. So about right here, it's going to come out. And let's go up and build the top of his head. So it's going to be pretty pointy. So let's come up. Pointy but soft, right? So let's come up about right there and we're going to curve and come down. So we're aiming to about this area for his eye. So just bring this curve down. And then now let's go above his eye right here. We're going to draw his eyebrow. So about right here above this eye, I'm just going to go ahead and just zigzag some lines. So same thing on above this eye and it's going to pass this line, so about right there. So I'm just zigzagging back and forth for his eyebrow. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's bring this down more. So his head in, so about right here, I'm going to start to come out. And then let's go ahead and draw this side first, the arm. So we're just bringing it out. And then right here, let's bring this in. So just go back and forth as we build this. So come to this side, bring it in, and we're going to start his tummy area. Okay, so from about right here, I'm going to start his tummy. I'm going to bring this out and then tuck it in. There's a little tummy, big tummy I mean. And then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw his arm on this side. So we're just going to bring this out. So about right here, in this area, about say right here, I'm going to draw his arm. So it's just going to come out. So you can use kind of like the edge of his eye as a guide around this area, middle of his tummy. So I'm just going to bring this out. And round it off. So nice and round and connect it. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, we can go ahead and connect this right here. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. And then now we can start his pants. So let's bring this down. And I'm going to come in here and just draw another curve. And let's come about right here. So imagine this coming through. So about right here for his pants. And let's bring this down. Okay. So then in this area where his eyes are, so about right here will be the center. Let's come about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And then let's come and draw his pants. So using his eye, about right here, I'm going to draw his pants. Bring down a line. And I'm going to stop about right there. And in this area, bring in another line. And bring this one down. So about right there, I'm going to cut everything off and then connect it. So right here. One. And then another one. Right here. Okay, so then his feet, nice and easy, just a curve. So in this area, thank goodness, right? Just bring in a curve. And same thing over here. There. Now his other arm. So just imagine this coming through. It's going to come out about right there. And we're just going to tuck it in. About right here. And round it off and bring it in. And then before I forget, don't want to forget his cute little belly button, right? So about right here, right in the center of where his eye is, about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve and then another curve inside. There. It's a cute little belly button. And then there's some patterns on his shorts, so let's come about right here. I'm just going to wiggle pattern and another one right here. So there's 3 of these. And just wiggle it back. So there, I hope you love my version of Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. And just a little reminder when you're coloring it to add the dots to his skin using the color that you color his skin with. So there, hope you love how it turned out and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do love it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.